15 foods that improve blood flow to your legs and feet. Our legs and feet, which may seem far from our heart and brain, are important for our health too. We need to keep the blood moving well in these areas. But how do we do that? Believe it or not, the answer might be in your grocery store. What we eat can really help our blood flow. Today, I'm going to tell you about 15 great foods that help blood move better in your legs and feet. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a great food for your health. Garlic makes your blood flow better because it has a special thing called allicin. Allicin comes out when you chop or crush the garlic and helps your blood vessels get bigger and your blood less sticky. This means less chance of clots and better blood movement, especially to your legs and feet. Garlic can also lower your blood pressure, cut down cholesterol, and keep your heart healthy. Plus, it's full of antioxidants, which protect your body from damage and help with your immune system, skin, bones, and stomach. For good blood flow, eating 1 or 2 fresh garlic cloves each day is a good idea. So, garlic may be tiny, but it's strong for keeping your blood flowing well. Number 2. Fatty fish. Eating fish with a lot of fat, like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna, is really good for blood flow because they have lots of omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s make the blood vessels less swollen and the blood thinner, so blood can move around easily without clots. This helps blood reach all parts of the body, including the legs and feet. They give you vitamin D for your bones and protein for building and fixing muscles. You should have fatty fish at least 2 times a week, and a serving is about the size of a deck of cards or 3/4 of a cup of flaked fish. So, fatty fish is a top food choice for better blood flow in your legs and feet. Number 3. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice is not only good for adding flavor to your food but also for your health. Turmeric contains something called curcumin, which can reduce swelling and protect the body from damage. This is a big deal for blood flow, because when you have less swelling, your blood can move better through your body, even down to your legs and feet. Curcumin also helps your blood vessels work better. You can put turmeric into many dishes, like stews, teas, and smoothies. In short, using turmeric in your cooking might be a simple way to help with blood flow in your legs and feet. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Let's talk about a yummy snack that's good for our health. Dark chocolate. Eating dark chocolate, which needs to be at least 70% cocoa, is good for your blood flow because it has flavonols. These help your arteries work better, which is important for keeping your blood moving smoothly through your body, even down to your legs and feet. It's also full of important minerals like iron and magnesium that our bodies need to work properly. But remember, dark chocolate is still a treat with lots of calories, so it's best to eat just a little bit, like 1 or 2 ounces each day. You can have dark chocolate as a snack or put it into your recipes like in smoothies or baked goods. So, enjoy a small bit every day to keep your blood flowing nicely while making your taste buds happy. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger warms things up with its long history in medicine. It's good for blood flow because it has a thing called gingerol. This reduces swelling and helps blood move better. Ginger also stops blood clots by keeping platelets from sticking together. It also helps with digestion, pain, and may even lower blood sugar and cholesterol. You can have it fresh, dried, powdered, as juice or oil, and it can be added to food or made into ginger tea. So ginger is not just tasty but also great for blood circulation, especially to your legs and feet. It's a small thing that packs a big health punch. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is a treasure trove of compounds called polyphenols, particularly catechins, which exhibit potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants aid in shielding our cells from oxidative stress, an imbalance that can lead to inflammation and the eventual impairment of blood vessels. Green tea, with its rich content of antioxidants, including EGCG, presents a natural and pleasant avenue to support circulatory health, especially for the legs and feet. By promoting vasodilation, fighting inflammation, and enhancing endothelial function, green tea helps to ensure the blood vessels can carry out their vital responsibility effectively. Remember though, while green tea is beneficial, it should complement other healthy lifestyle choices and not be the sole approach to improving blood flow. Number 7. Beets. Beets are full of natural chemicals that help your body make a blood flow helper called nitric oxide. This helper makes your blood vessels wider and more relaxed, so blood moves better everywhere, even your legs and feet. Beets are also great for lowering blood pressure. Studies show that after drinking beet juice, people's blood pressure can drop within hours. Lower blood pressure means better blood flow. Not just that, beets come with lots of vitamins and minerals, like potassium, vitamin C, and iron. They're good at fighting body inflammation and are loaded with antioxidants. To help your blood circulation, try adding 1 or 2 cups of cooked beets or beet juice to your meals each week. So, whether you like them for their taste or color, beets are a strong source of nutrients that help your blood flow, especially to your legs and feet. Number 8. Cinnamon. Recent studies have begun to shed light on cinnamon's particular benefits for blood flow. One of cinnamon's most active components is cinnamaldehyde, which can help fight inflammation, a common culprit behind blood vessel restriction. Additionally, cinnamon has been found to possess anticoagulant properties, reducing the stickiness of blood platelets, which can improve flow and reduce the risk of clots. Furthermore, research has suggested that cinnamon may help dilate and relax blood vessels. This desodylation can lead to increased circulation, ensuring that blood moves efficiently through your veins and arteries. Such a mechanism is particularly beneficial in the lower extremities, providing relief and support for those experiencing poor circulation. Number 9. Berries. Next up are berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These sweet fruits are not only tasty but are also great for your blood flow. They have lots of flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help keep your heart in good shape and make your blood circulate better. Berries have even more health benefits. They are full of antioxidants that fight off cell damage and can reduce the risk of diseases like heart disease and cancer. Plus, they're full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and manganese, which are good for your overall health. Try to eat a cup of berries every day to help with blood flow. Berries are easy to add to your diet. You can eat them by themselves, put them on your cereal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or bake with them. In short, adding berries to your meals is a tasty way to help the blood flow to your legs and feet. Number 10. Celery. Celery is a healthy vegetable that might surprise you with its benefits. It's good for your blood flow because it has a lot of nitrates, just like spinach does. These nitrates turn into a gas called nitric oxide in your body, which makes your blood vessels wider. It's full of important vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, which you need for blood clotting and strong bones. It has antioxidants that protect your cells and fiber. It helps you digest and manage your weight. To keep your blood flowing well, try to eat about 4 or 5 sticks of celery every day. Number 11. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are a great food with benefits like improving heart health and increasing blood flow. They are full of antioxidants that protect your blood vessels and help them to work better, which helps blood move around your body. They can lower blood pressure and reduce artery plaque, which also helps blood flow better. Pomegranates are good for fighting inflammation, aging, improving memory, attacking cancer cells, and making exercise easier. Having a cup of pomegranate seeds or 8 ounces of juice every day is good for you. Adding pomegranates to your diet is not just good for your health, but also helps the blood flow in your legs and feet. In other words, pomegranates are super healthy fruits. Number 12. Walnut. Let's talk about walnuts, which are simple but powerful snacks. Walnuts are full of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is a type of healthy fat similar to what's in fish. Walnuts have even more benefits. They contain L-arginine, an amino acid that, once in the body, helps make nitric oxide. This is important for keeping your blood vessels wide and aiding blood flow. Additionally, walnuts are full of antioxidants that guard your cells against damage. They're high in fiber, which helps your stomach health, and are a great source of magnesium and copper, 2 important minerals for your body. To help with blood flow, you should eat about a handful of walnuts every day. This is about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, or 1 to 2 ounces. In short, for better blood circulation to your legs and feet, including walnuts in your diet is a great idea. Number 13. Watermelon. Watermelon is low in calories yet rich in vital nutrients that play a key role in promoting good health. It's particularly high in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and minerals. Most notably, it contains a significant amount of an amino acid called L-citrulline, which is instrumental in enhancing blood flow. Once consumed, the body converts L-citrulline into another amino acid, L-arginine, and subsequently into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a crucial molecule for vascular health. It helps relax and expand blood vessels, which increases blood flow. This effect is particularly beneficial to the blood vessels in the legs and feet areas that can be prone to poor circulation. Number 14. Oranges. Oranges are famous for their high vitamin C, which is important for maintaining healthy blood vessels and good blood circulation. Vitamin C helps keep the walls of the tiny blood vessels strong, which is good for blood flow to all parts of the body, including your legs and feet. But oranges do more than help with blood circulation. Their vitamin C boosts your immune system, helps protect your cells, and helps your body take in iron. They're also full of fiber for a healthy stomach, and they give you other important nutrients like potassium and B vitamins. Try eating an orange every day to get these health benefits. In short, oranges are a tasty way to add more vitamin C to your diet, which can help keep your blood circulation healthy and ensure your legs and feet stay in great shape. Number 15. Spinach. Now let's talk about a green vegetable that's really good for you and that Popeye, the cartoon character, loves. Spinach. Spinach has a lot of nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in our bodies. Nitric oxide is important because it helps make our blood vessels wider, making it easier for blood to get to all parts of the body, including your legs and feet. It's full of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like magnesium and iron, which are all good for your overall health. Spinach has lots of antioxidants too, which help fight off damage and swelling in your body. Plus, it's high in fiber, which helps your digestion and can help you manage your weight. To help your blood flow best, try to eat spinach every day. So, there you go. We just looked at 15 great foods that can make the blood flow better in your legs and feet. Remember, eating these foods is just one part of staying healthy overall. They're good for you, but they work best when you also eat a balanced diet, exercise often, and go for regular checkups. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.